Montezuma garage storage cabinets make it possible to transform your garage in hours. Cabinets are sold separately and designed as a system so you can mix and match to meet your storage needs. The cabinets feature a patented folding design which allows for easy transportation and quick assembly. Simply unfold and attach the top and bottom for a frustration-free assembly. Each cabinet is constructed of steel with a durable powder coat paint finish, which keeps the products protected and resistant to fading. Leveling feet are included on all floor cabinets to steady units on uneven floors. The wall cabinets can be mounted to a wall or be freestanding when using Montezuma's post and pegboard wall system. The post and pegboard wall system securely attaches to a base of a garage cabinet, and the wall cabinet can be attached to the top of the post. This gives you more flexibility to arrange your garage storage system with no holes in the wall or time locating a stud. Cabinets are 24 inches deep, which provides 33% more storage space than standard 18-inch deep cabinets. All cabinets are lockable to prevent unauthorized access. The 4 drawer cabinets include full extension ball bearing slides that are rated up to 100 pounds. The drawers also include Montezuma's patented raise and release drawers, which lock each drawer in place. Montezuma, providing intuitive solutions that allow you to securely and efficiently organize your life.